Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Now today's video I'm going to be showing you the best Airbnb discount codes or promo codes in 2023. Now basically, guys, you can save hundreds off your next Airbnb stay, and this is a simple promo code that you can enter in at the checkout in the booking process on Airbnb, and it's going to save you simply hundreds of dollars or wherever you are from, your local currency. And it's so easy to do, guys. No one should be paying full price on Airbnb in 2023. And so I'm going to be recording my mobile phone screen here and running through the tutorial, and I'll be putting the recording here so you can all follow along and save tons of money. So let me just start recording my screen and get into it. Okay guys, so basically you open up the internet on your mobile phone, and I'm using an iPhone and the Safari browser, but you can use any device that you have that uses the internet. And I'm going to Google, and I'm just going to type in gift card hero. Now you need to find basically giftcardhero.net. You can go directly to the website by typing www.giftcardhero.net, or you can just type gift card hero to Google and look for the website. And this website is basically, they specialize in providing us promo codes and all sorts of different codes that's going to save you tons of money. Obviously we need to look for the Airbnb page, so press this green menu button, go up to the search bar, and I'm just going to type Airbnb, and here we go, Airbnb promo codes 2023. Tap to open the page. This has been super popular already. It's been used over 700 times, as you can see. Scroll down. Now there are a couple of codes that we can choose from, so you have to choose which one's going to be more beneficial to you, and you'll know by how much your booking costs basically. So this one is a 50% off your booking code, and this one is a $200 off your booking code. So basically, if you're doing a large cost, so if you're doing like a 7-day stay somewhere, this 50% off booking is going to be more beneficial. If you're doing like a 1-night stay, then this $200 probably going to be better. So just choose which is more beneficial. It's the same process no matter what code you choose. So in this example, I'm going to be doing the 50% off booking code. So tap reveal promo code, and you can see this is a verification step. This is completely normal and it's super easy to pass, so don't panic, guys. All we need to do here is complete 2 of the free app/survey offers below, and you can see there's a list of sort of surveys and applications, and they're all completely free, and there is a description below each one on how to complete it. So all you have to do here, guys, is choose 2 of them and fully complete them. I like doing the surveys, usually the ones at the top are the easiest, so just choose 2 and you follow the instructions. So I'm going to click here on this survey and just I have to answer the questions, and I have to input my email and what have you. It's all completely free. It's just it's just a survey sort of thing. So I'm going to do 2 of these, and I can see I'm already over 3 minutes on the video, so I'm going to be pausing this and I'll do these off camera, entering in whatever information it asks, and we'll see if it gives me the code. So give me a couple of minutes, guys. Hey guys, so as discussed, I just completed both of those surveys, making sure I fully completed them as far as putting in my information and whatever else it needed. Only took me, maybe a minute, maximum 2 minutes, and yeah, so that should have verified that I'm a real person now. So all I have to do is go back to my tabs, go back to Gift Card Hero, scroll down to the code, and there you go. It's now given me my 50% off Airbnb booking promo code. So I can copy this, or I can write it down on a piece of paper. And when I go through the booking process on Airbnb, I can apply this code at checkout, or at the payment screen, and it's going to simply reduce the cost of my booking by 50%. So this could potentially save you hundreds of dollars, or maybe even thousands. It depends how expensive your booking is. So it's well worth to do, guys. It takes a couple of minutes, or maybe, wow, end-to-end process is probably 5 minutes, and it's going to save you so much money. So that is how you do it. You got to go to giftcardhero.net and get your Airbnb promo codes. They're one-time use, guys, so you have to get your personal code. Let me try. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button, leave a comment if you need any help, and I'll see you in the next time. See you in the next video. There will be a next time as well, so yeah.